Welcome to Lolitasville.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Man. I just woke up from sleep, literally. And after prayers, I decided to pick up the camera because today is going to be an eventful day. So guys, first of all, sorry. For my newcomers, for the new family members here on this channel, I say welcome to Lolitasville. And if you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, welcome. Thank you for joining. And to my long-standing, champions, my long-standing family members, I say thank you for staying glued. Yeah guys, it has been an eventful couple of weeks. It has been an eventful couple of weeks. And hubby have been changing houses. Okay, when I say changing houses, not like changing houses like clothes, but like we're moving from an old apartment into a new apartment, and it's not complete, it's not finally done, it's still in the process of making, because I am of the belief that you make your home into what you want, but it's gradually. Rome was not built in a day. So yeah, that's how it has been. We've spent our first couple of nights in a new home and it's been wonderful. I must say. So like I said, today is a very eventful day. We have like a family thingy, a family event, and I just thought to bring you guys along. I haven't vlogged stuff like that before. I haven't. So it's a new experience for me, and it's something new on this channel, on this space for you lovely people. And I just thought to bring you guys along. It's a naming ceremony, a traditional, should I call it traditional? Yes, I should call it traditional. It's a Yoruba naming ceremony. As you well know, I'm an Igbo girl married to a Yoruba man. Yeah. So it's a family event, it's a family member, and I really can't wait to experience it. Yeah, I think I've attended one before, but like it wasn't really family, it was a friend, so I really didn't understand what's up. I heard they give like 17 names, 19 names, 20 names. Today, Lenny, we'll find out. I don't know how bad that Yoruba was, but I think I'm good. So today we'll be finding out, okay? And I think that will be just about it. That's like the thing today. I want to quickly make breakfast. After making breakfast, I have a couple of reports to run and send out. So I run my reports, I send my reports out. I have some laundry to do. Hopefully I get to do that. And after that, I think that's all. I'll do some cleanup because it's Saturday morning. I'll do some cleanup and voila, we're going out.
Everybody respond. Mary. Kinde. I don't hear your response, everybody. Solomon. Oluwakamiye. Oma Ojo. A round of applause for Jesus.
Yeah guys, so we just got back not too long ago and I realized I had not closed this vlog. I'm sure you saw from the clips, it was really an interesting one. Got to meet a lot of family, you know, some little reunion. Was really interesting. The babies had sweet, wonderful names that had meanings, had deep meanings, and supposed to be like speaking or passing across a message and speaking to the lives of the children, or thanking God for his faithfulness in the lives of the parents. It was really an interesting one, and I really enjoyed myself. Just got back really very tired, and I remember that I haven't ended the vlog. Had to jump on some work. You know that report I talked about this morning? And I must submit the report tonight. So I think I want to work on that. Microwave dinner for an hobby and call it a night. It's Sunday tomorrow, so another day. Thank you so much guys for watching. I think I said in my intro that was a Yoruba traditional naming ceremony. If you're from another tribe, let me know how it's done in your place. This was done on the 8th day after birth, and it's a tradition. So let me know how it's done in your country or in your tribe, where you're from. Just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video, it helps so much in my algorithm. Share, subscribe to my channel, become a part of the family. There's so much to it. I'm sure you want to be seeing this fine face every day. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Thank you for the love on my wedding video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for your prayers, your comments, your well wishes. Thank you. Okay, until the next one, I still remain Lolita here on Lolita's Veil, and bye for now.